in this test paper, you are allowed to use calculator. Okay, so please use your calculator, and I think you should do ahead of me, and you can pause the video and then do it, and then you compare yours with my answer. Yeah, if you can. And if you find some hard questions, so not to worry, you just watch my video. All right, that's a good practice for you. Okay, let's go. Now, the first three questions is just practice. Okay, this is this this is just practice for the first three. All right, now have a look. So if you look at the first pattern, which number comes next in this sequence, right? So it start 50, 100, 150. So if you think about it, okay, is going up by 50 from here to here, right? So it just add 50. So you go add 50 on top, so it's 300. So that's your answer, first answer. Okay. Now, next one. Dave has $5.75. All right. Now, he spent $1 and then spent 75 cents. So he actually spent $1.75. Right? Now, the question asked is, how much money does he have left? So he spent this much, but the question asked is how much have left. So you just minus it. All right. Again, you're allowed to use calculator. So you just, if you type that in your calculator, okay, you should get $4. Otherwise, look, 75 cents, you spend 75 cents gone, 5 minus 4, 5 minus 1 is 4, so $4. Okay, now 268 cents is equal to dollars and cents. So you want to write in dollar and then write in cents. So 268 cents is just like 200 cents at 68 cents. Correct? Because a dollar, okay, is 100 cents, right? So $2, okay, 200 cents. So this must be $2.68. Oh, you don't have the right dollar sign, of course, because it said dollar in the back. So it's 68 cents. Sorry. Okay, let's move on. Now, start actual question here. Some shapes are shown on this netball court. All right, which shapes are not shown? So let's go through it. Now, this is half of circle, semicircle. This one here is semicircle. This one here is circle. This is semicircle as well, semicircle, right? And this is rectangle. See? Now, if you combine these two, still rectangle. Yeah, the whole lot still rectangle. So therefore, semicircle, yeah, we mentioned. Like a circle, yes, we mentioned. Square, now we didn't mention square. Let's go through. Rectangle, we mentioned. So therefore, the answer is square. Okay, so the square is not shown in this diagram. Now, number 2, the picture shows a set of lights. 2 of the lights are off, so that means 2 are off. So how many are all together? So 3, 6, 9. Okay, so 9 lights all together, and only 2 are off. These 2 and these 2. So it doesn't matter which one, but they say 2 are off. So what fractions of the set of lights is off? So that means 2 are off. Out of the total is 9. So your answer is 2, 9. Okay, that's your answer. Now, next one, number 3. What number makes this sentence correct? So 1.6 times something give me 4.48. So what that number is? So let's say, for example, 2 times something give me 6, right? What times 2 give me 6? 3, right? Too easy. Now, but the way we go about this is we do opposite, because 2 times something equals 6. To work out what that number is, we do opposite. You divide by 2, divide by 2, you cancel that out. So this number is 3. That's where you get that from, right? So therefore, we do the same process here. So 6 times something give me 4.48. So I divide by 6, 1.6, sorry, divide by 1.6. So now, you are allowed to use calculator, of course, with this part. So therefore, if you type that in your calculator, you should get 2.8. Okay, so if you type 48 divided by 1.6, you get 2.8. Now, this question here, only one of these shapes has two acute angles. So two acute angles, that's important, right? And two obtuse angles. So two obtuse angles. Which shape is it? Now, before you even do this, you need to know what is acute angles, right? Acute angles is the angles that between 0 degree and 90 degree, correct? Between these two. Now, obtuse angles, okay, is between 90 degree and 180 degree. That's what you need to understand before you do this. So let's go through these shapes now. So if you look at this shape here, it looks like a square, right? So this is a right angle, which is 90 degree. So it's not correct. Now this one here, just less than 90, so acute, less than 90, acute. Now just above 90, okay, so let's say this is here, this is 90 degree like that, just a bit over 90, so obtuse, so obtuse. So two obtuse, two acute, see? So therefore, this should be the answer. Okay, so you can stop there because only one of these shapes has two of the properties, that's all. So that's the answer. Alright, let's move on. Number 5. Okay, these pictures show that dials for 4 fuel tanks. Okay, which dials show that the tank is about 75% full. So 75%, okay, is 3/4 full, if you like. Yeah, so better to convert like the fraction first. Now the empty, this empty from here to here is full, right? So in fact this one here is more than, look, 1 2 3 4 parts, so this is more than 4, okay, more than 3, sorry, 4 part, more than 3, so more than 3/4, so that's not the answer. See, this is 1 2 3 4, so this is 1 2 3 up to here, roughly about 3/4. This is the answer. See, this is a half full because it's 2 out 2 out 4 roughly. This is 1/4 full, so therefore your answer is this. All right, thank you. Okay, let's move along. Now, number 6. Okay, Jen cut these shapes out of card. She's flipped, okay, the shape over. So she flipped, okay, so that means the shape exactly the same, it's just different orientations, that's all. Which of these could be the shape look like after Jen flip over? So if you look at the first one, okay, it look like it just flip back, flip, okay, just over, like this pointy is going down, right? This is going up, so it's the same size, sorry. So therefore this is the look like this flipping. All right, so this should be the answer. See, this one here is also flipping, this one here also flipping, but then is rotate, okay, or it can be flipped horizontally as well. Okay, so the first one flip vertically, this one's flip vertically and horizontally, and the rest are just rotations. Okay, so that's why, okay, the first answer is your answer. Okay, now number 7. Okay, for any prism, the surface area S is calculated by multiplying the perimeter of its base P, okay, by its height, okay, and add twice the area of the shapes A, okay, the base A. Okay, so what that means, important. See, calculate by multiplying the perimeter of its base, which is P, and H. So that means P times H, okay, and add twice the area base A, so which means add 2A. Okay, it's important. That's all. So which of these formulas could be used for calculations? So you go S equal PH, okay, or HP plus 2A. So which one is it? That's it, this one. All right, okay, so let's move along. Okay, this one here. Next one, Ellie moved to Australia. The population was, okay, let's back it up to easy to read. Okay, 1 2 3, which is 100, 1 2 3 thousand, and then million. Okay, so this is 100,000 million. So what that means, the population was 22 million 112,277 people. See, easy to read when you break into 100,000 million. All right, then how many people is that to the nearest million? So now 22,112,000. So 22 million, because it's 100, so less 100,000, 112,000, so which is less than 50,000. So therefore the answer is 22 million. Okay, so 22 million. So this is the answer. Okay, so this is how you do rounding. Now look, number 9. Jim builds 4 garden beds arranged in an L shape. Jim and his garden beds are shown on the plan below, right? So if Jim looking toward this way, okay, so you got 30 centimeters high, 60, 30, and 60. So if you're looking toward this side, this one here, 30, and then next to 60, so I just do 30, you see this front here, okay, and 60, of course, is twice high as a 30, so it's like that. See, you got that, something like that, right? And then the next one here is 30, so exactly same as top, so I just do 30 like that. See, now because 60 centimeters high is actually below, behind 30 centimeters, so therefore when you see the front you see 30 and then you see 60 as well, but the 30 block the bottom half of the 60 centimeters, so you can only see the top half. See, you got that. So which one? It look like the shape which I just draw. Yep, first one. Beautiful. Okay, so that's the answer, right? Now number 10. Okay, now Miriam owns a restaurant. Okay, she sets up rows of tables and chairs as shown. So you got 1 table, 4 chairs. So let's say 1 table, let's say table T, yeah, T table, chairs for C, for example, right? I just make it up. So 1 table, how many chairs do you have? 4. See, 2 tables, how many? 2 table is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6. See, 3 tables. So 1, 2, 3 table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 table, 8 chairs. See? So if you think about it, okay, it go up by 2 chairs. So add 2, add 2. So therefore the number of chairs is 2 times whatever that number is, times T, times the number of the top. So you go C is equal to 2 times the top, so which is 2 times T. Is it okay? So 2 times T. Then I have to do some adjustment, either plus or minus some sort of numbers, so to make the formulas work for every one of them. So if let's say I got 1. If 1 table in my formulas is 2 times 1. 2 times 1 is 2. But my answer is 4. Now to make it 4, I just add 2 to make it 4. See? So my formula is the number of chairs will be 2 times the table, number of table, which is T, plus 2. So which one is that? So this is 4 times, not good. Divide by 2 minus 2, not good. See, this is it. Number of table times 2 plus 2. Okay, that's my answer. Thank you for watching.